What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping in, guys. Been a jam-packed day already, but major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. I want to talk all about it, as well as give you my price targets for Tesla on tomorrow. Okay, I want to be very surgical with this info. So I want to see you guys knock this out the park for me, okay? I want to teach you guys how to fish, but en route to teaching you guys how to fish, I want you to have a foundation to learn from and build from, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it, guys. I want to say again, guys, we've been knocking them out the park. I talked about this in the Discord today. Please make sure, if you haven't already, join us in the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. I talked about Tesla once again, guys, because it's a money maker, nevertheless, to the upside and to the downside. But with that being said, guys, Tesla, again, I talked about it going down to 240 on a day, okay? And not only did it give us that, it went down to 235, maybe even 234, okay? I was just so elated with the play doing exactly as we see fit, that I know you guys were making money, and that's what really made me happy. I want to say major salute once again, guys. We've been really just dominating in the Tesla plays, okay? Both puts primarily, but even the times that it want to bounce, we're taking advantage of that too. With that being said, guys, listen, for tomorrow, okay, I want to give you guys some levels that I want you to consider, okay, both to the upside and downside. Write this down, okay? I need to learn to make money in both directions. Stocks go up, stocks go down. If you can understand that, guys, you're going to be very profitable with me for the long term, okay? Because with me, guys, that's what it's all about. I love the stock market. When I see charts, I see money. I don't see green or red. I see, oh, that move right there meant I could have made 3,000. That move right there could have been 500. That's what I'm looking at, and so that's why I'm coming on here every day to make sure you guys start to see it in that manner as well. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the SPY on the day before we wrap it up with Tesla. Okay, guys, the SPY currently sitting in after hours at 378.59. okay, it has got a little boost in after hours. All right, nothing I really get too excited about. I'm more of a person that likes to see what's happening in the morning during pre-market, if this holds or if we give some of this back, okay? But nevertheless, again, it's trying to make its way to 380. When you have full numbers and whole numbers on the horizon, like we're at 378.59, we got as high as 379.12, okay? The next number, like a whole number, 380 for instance, becomes like a magnet, and it tries to grab the stock up to that price. It doesn't mean it'll happen in that day, not maybe even the next day, but over time, if the trend continues upward, you can look for that. So I will be looking for 380 on some point by Friday, okay, before the stocks sell off again and then we start heading back down, okay? But with that being said, look at this, man. The SPY did a number on us this morning. The market was down 400 points and the SPY went down to 371, but buyers stepped in at the support level. We had a double bottom here, 371, and then boom, buyers stepped in. This play ended up taking off and going as high as 379 before giving a little bit back into close down at 376 and then bounced up to close at 377. Okay, this is the volatility of a bear market, okay? I want you guys to lean into it. I want you guys to embrace it. Tomorrow, guys, to the upside, okay? These are your upside levels, okay? Upside means if you were to buy a call, we're looking for that test of 378, 379, and if we get enough momentum, we may hit 380 and 381. That's if this upward momentum continues, okay? To the downside, okay, guys, I want you guys to be looking for 376 and 373 to the downside. That's more near term, okay? Write those numbers down. You need to know definitively what you want to do. Now, it's up to you if you want to do a call. If you're more comfortable doing calls, play all my upside numbers. If you like doing puts and you find them to be easy because the market always go down anyway, then play my downside targets, okay? And if you are like me and you like to play both, guys, go ahead and crush the game. But to the downside, 376, 373, and if we lose any of those levels to the downside, guys, we will retest this 371 level once again, okay? And the magnet may pull that to 370. Just a heads up, okay? Apple, guys, ticker symbol AAPL. This play too is up in after hours. It wasn't up this high throughout the day, even though it did recapture this $47, $45, $146 level throughout the day. But just like the SPY, this one was way down here at 143 around 10:30 this morning before it bounced off of the support level and began to head higher for the rest of the day, okay? That showed a lot of strength in this little bounce slash relief that we're having, okay? Understand, this can continue, so the trend is your friend. Go with the direction that the stocks are going in, understanding there will be a pullback, but in the short term it is going up, even though you will have some small moves and pullbacks that you can be a sniper in, meaning you get in and get out, or you can scalp. You get in and get out, okay? So it won't stay at 147. It might bounce to 146, you get out. If it's at 146, it might go to 145, you get out, because it will bounce back up as long as it's in an uptrend, okay? And then here, guys, last but not least, I want to touch on Tesla. All right, ticker symbol TSLA. This has been a play we've been crushing. We talk about this one oftentimes, definitely on YouTube, but we even touch on it in the Discord, so please consider joining us there. Tesla is sitting at $240 right now, okay, guys? To the upside tomorrow. Short term, I want you to look for 245. Write this down, okay? I want you to make money if this goes up. I want you to look for the level 245. If it continues past 245, you got 250 and 252 as a level I want you to look for. That's to the upside. Now to the downside, okay, because Tesla has a lot of shorts. They have a lot of people piling in on them, trying to drive the stock down, especially on Wall Street, okay? So look, the lows that it touched was 233 today. I told you in yesterday's video that this play wants to come to 231, okay? That will be a retest of the downtrend of the double top, okay, that we had in this particular play, okay, the 230, 231 level. So to the downside, we already seen where it hit 233 today. Look for 235 to the downside, okay, if we go down, or if it experiences more downward pressure. And then if it falls through that, again, you got 233, today's lows that I want you to look out for, okay? Even though 231, 230 is a price level, guys, it's a progression. Just like I tell you, the stock market is a marathon, so is the development of these plays. They don't just go right to a level, they go in increments. Understand that, and understand that it won't just happen in a straight line or in a linear fashion, okay? With that being said, guys, hope this was helpful. Hope this added value to you. Please let me know if you use any of this information to make some money on tomorrow, okay? You got the levels for the SPY, you got the levels for Apple, you got the levels for Tesla. One or all three of those plays can be money makers for you, as it has been all year for us in this bear market, okay? I want to teach you guys how to navigate differently a bear market than we would a bull market, okay? And so once you add these skills up, guys, and you add this to your arsenal, you're so diversified and you're so multifaceted in your approach, you can dominate the game, okay? With that being said, guys, remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.